These are the elevators at the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Nokomis, Florida. You got Otis Gen2. Yeah, so this is a newer Series 2 vandal resistant one. I think I just shut the door on someone. Here's your cab view. Someone might be getting on. Transfer on 2 or actually I'm just gonna get out. Call that one. This one is a rear door that you need to use a key card to access. So these are newer Series 2 vandal resistant fixtures. 1 and 1R is locked. Here's your inspection certificate. So they know these elevators were just installed this year, 2017. I'm not sure the exact date of when the hotel opened, but it was not that long ago. And that'll be it.